Hi everyone, in this lecture we are going to code the features section of our website. So the features section of our website, it has two main containers. We have one container for the image and the other container is going to contain the text. So the structure is going to be similar to the work section that we talked about in our previous videos. And the only thing extra here is going to be this small title that we have right there. So without further ado, let's jump into coding this section. So let's jump into HTML. There we go. So I'm going to collapse this as well. Let's jump into features. So what do we want to do within the features? Okay, so first I'm going to have the image. So the image is going to be features. Features underscore. I'm going to copy that part. That is going to be image. The image is within the images folder. Let's go to features, and this is just the tasks. So tasks. And from there, we're going to jump into content. And within the content, what is it that we have? We have a mini title. So these titles, they're going to be repeated quite a few times, and I'm calling them mini title. And they're going to be an H6 element. The class is going to be features content, copy this, dash mini dash title, mini title. And it's going to say, why choose us? Perfect. Now, what do we have next? Next, we are going to have our key points. So we have the key points. Now, the key points is going to be a container. The reason for that is that let's just take a look at that. So there is a lot of things going on here. So we are going to have key 1, key 2, and we are going to have key 3. So for each of the keys, we are going to have a title, and then the title is going to be immediately, it is going to be followed by the title, first the icon, then the title, and then we are going to have the paragraph. So let's go ahead and let's jump into that. Now, within this content, we need to create this H2 as well. So the styling, except for the color, the sizing is going to be the same as the ones that we have for how we work. So right here, so within the key points, I'm going to create a div. The div is going to have features content T. Okay, we have created that. Okay, I'm not going to create that again. Now let's jump into creating key points. There we go. Let me copy this class key points. Now within key points, we are going to have first. Let's provide the title. So it's going to be an H2. That is going to be key points underscore title. And in here, I'm going to say key features. There we go. So this is our title. And let's comment that out as well. So what do we have next? Next up, we are going to have the actual key points. So there are going to be 3 key points. We are going to have an icon, a title of some sort, and then we are going to have a paragraph. So let's say key 1. I'm going to create it for the first key, and then we are going to copy paste it for the rest of them. So this is going to be a div key points. I'm going to say underscore key dash point individual singular. You can see the key points and then key point. Now I'm going to give it another class as well because we are going to style these differently as well. So I'm going to give it 2 classes, and that the second class is basically going to say key point dash 1, unique one. So within here, we are going to have an icon, which I'm just going to copy paste. It's going to be a lot. This is the icon, arrow left, right to line, something like that. Let's jump into H3. Let me grab this class. From there, put it right there, and I'm going to say, so what is this going to be? This is going to be the key point title. dash dash title. We don't need this key point 1 anymore. Okay, let me get rid of that as well. So let's just copy it and let's add it. So H3, this is going to say expand your reach, and then we are going to have our paragraph. The paragraph is going to have the same class except for the name para, and I'm going to say lorem 7. Let's save that. So expand your reach and then para. So we have our icon, we have the title for that key, and we also have the paragraph. So I'm going to collapse this. I'm going to copy key 1, come down here, and I'm going to paste it. So we have key 1 repeated in 2 places. I'm just going to set it to key 2. The other classes, they're the same. So we have features, content, key points, and then we have key point. That is cool. The H3 is going to have the same class, but the text is going to be different. This time it is going to say annualized growth. There we go. Let's save that and let's jump into here. Let's paste that again. And this is going to be key point 3. The title or H3 is going to say book your providers. Book your providers. And that's it. So we are done with this section as well. Let's jump into the web page and let's take a look at what we have done so far. Let's increase it to 1500. There we go. So here is our image. Because there is a fixed height for the section, we can't really see the rest of the content. So in our next lecture, we're going to complete the styling for this section as well. See you then.